Welcome and welcome back if you're returning, and I would love to clear the air about ICT 2022 mentorship. If you are new and you've not actually gone through it, I would suggest you do, because this video I will just be giving summaries and my actions I take on the charts in regards to the summaries I have from the videos. So it's more of like a learning part, and the goal of this series, this my personal series, is to become funded using this system of trading. So if you've not gone through the ICT 2022 mentorship playlist, I would suggest you do. The link is in the description below. So that being said, let's get to the charts of the day. Alright guys, so welcome. This is the chart of Nasdaq futures E-mini. So this is the weekly chart, and from what ICT said, we're meant to look out for seasonal tendency and news. Okay, that will come into play in the future, but for now, what I actually looked out for is highs and the lows. So on the weekly time frame, I noticed that there was a fair value gap that the market is meant to react from, because see, this high here was broken, this short-term high here was broken, so I saw a fair value gap here, and I expected a reaction from this. So I was looking out for this week's candle here. I anticipated this week's candle to be a buy, but initially I saw this as a rejection, which would have been reacting to the fair value gap. So I expected the market to move higher. Then this week I was expecting higher prices, but first I went to the daily time frame and get my highs and lows. So on the daily time frame, what did I see? So I was looking at the market before all this formed, and at that point I saw that there was a low here that call ran, the market ran the low and then reversed. You get, so as the market reversed, I expected reverse. I expected when it got to this high, I was looking for a reversal. This was on Monday, Tuesday. I expected a reversal, but on Tuesday CPI news was released. On Tuesday 13th of September it was released, and the move to downside was really fast, so there was no room for entry in any form. So I marked up my highs. I marked up this high and this one lower. So my plan for the week was, once this high was taken, it's meant to reverse, and I was expecting to fill this fair value gap right here before continuing to the upside. So why did I feel this market? This high was still valid. Look at it, there's a low candle here. The high of this candle is lower than this, and the high of this candle is higher than this. So this is a high, and then one more confirmation was this fair value gap I saw here, this beautiful fair value gap, and that's what I was expecting price to actually draw to this. It did. It drew to that, and there was no much setup for me, but I'll show you what happened on the 15 minutes time frame. So on the 15 minutes time frame, you can see this was Monday, and as expected, I expected the market price to draw to cross this higher time frame high, which it did. It filled this fair value gap created over the Sunday gap, then took out the lows, moved impulsively, took out this short-term high, left the fair value gap. The market went higher, traded into the fair value gap and left beautifully, came back to it in the PM session, then traded higher more. He also left another fair value gap here, of which was filled, and then the market left. So now we are above the highs. My expectation should be sales, right? Yeah, but what happened was the CPI was released and it was in favor of the dollar. The predicted value was less than the actual value, which made dollar stronger, and this was the reaction. In a 15 minutes candle, you can see how far the market went. So there was no way to catch this. Although you can see a fair value gap here, market trading to it went lower, but then it doesn't meet our criteria. So that was that for that news. So on Wednesday, I came into the market. I saw that markets traded lower, and my expectation was at least there should be a form of pullback for the short term. So that's why my markup was this way. Came into the market, saw the Asian range, market traded lower, took out the short term high, fair value gap here, traded into it beautifully, and boom, it was a clean setup. This PM session, the market was too choppy, so there was no way I could have entered this in any form. So yeah, Thursday was beautiful indeed. So now we expect the market to trade higher based on the weekly time frame. I was still looking out for higher price action. So at this point, let me reset this chart. So at this point, the market was around this level, this low. So my expectation was a reversal to the upside, but I wasn't so sure because into the week this candle formed the low and it was massive. So I still stick to my bias that okay, it should reverse, but I wasn't really confident about the move. So I was still looking out for sales because I wasn't really confident about the buy move. My initial bias for the week was already flooded, so I had to anticipate lower. Now, if you look closely, you can see that around this level on the lower time frame, I marked up this fair value gap. No, on the lower time frame, I marked up this fair value gap, looking at price it traded in here and went higher. So by the time it broke this, because this became a valid high, a valid low, by the time it broke it, then my bias changed, and this is the result. It took out this low and left a fair value gap. Price traded into it, went higher, like taking out this high here. So it will have forced you to reverse your decision. But then in the AM section, no much entries. But then in the PM, the market came back in because after this massive move to the downside, market came back into the same area to react off, and it fell massively. You can see it also left another fair value gap right about here, and this is the result of the move. It was beautiful, but we don't trade this section right there. So now the market has taken the low, and we should be expecting a move up, right? This was on Friday, and this was the last day this chart will be valid. So the chart that is now valid is December chart. You will see it right here, December 2022. So that will be valid in December, I think the second or the third week of December. If you have any issues looking for this chart on TradingView, just search out futures, then look for the Nasdaq and the S&P futures that has 2022. Yeah, that's your best bet of finding it. That's how I was able to find mine. So seeing this, it's quite like revealing. It shows that the system actually does work, and I believe by still making more attempts to use it, you will get more understanding. So my next video will be on episode 3 and 4, a very brief summary, and hopefully I'll be dropping some chat examples. I won't delay on that, guarantee you. So do like and subscribe if you're enjoying this and you want me to continue making videos like this. Encourage the channel by hitting the thumbs up button and also subscribing so that I'll be motivated to continue the good work. Yeah, this is for me and for you. So thanks for watching and do have a lovely one. I'll catch you guys in the next episode.